God. Alright, try and pass my bike over.
Take us to the car? Thank you. Oh my god.
Fucking in.
Yeah, I'll just get added to that. My
Oh yeah. Oh fuck.
Shit.
Fucking hell. You make bare... Never mind, I just made bad noise. Oh, my hobby's so fucking loud. The main gate was locked, so I doubt there's anyone in here. I'm keeping my stuff in there because there's no other way to get in. What? Leave my bag here. Hey. Hey. What? Don't. Alright. Come on then. Let's go. Oh. Yeah, alright. No, if you have common sense, if people were here, you'd see footprints. It's the rain.
It's so dark on me. It's something like that. No, it's just a rain.
Huh?
It's just a rain.
Fam, this is actually really scary. It's the rain. Who's going up first? Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Right, you're first. Shush, man.
Hello, anybody there?
Right. Why is it wet? Don't. Fucking hell. It's better wet. Why is that chair just like, yeah man, I'm gonna possess you? I don't get where the water's come from. Oh, I know, I figured it out. Alright, let's go outside and go to the top. Ha, it's locked, bitch. Oh shit, this is so sketch. Oh shit. It's a bit wet, don't you think, guys? Yeah, I fucking do too. And yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, guys, thanks for 70 subs. Haha. And I know you're watching this, Harry, but dang, this is quite sick. This is sick. Oh my god. Woohoo! Oh no, my fucking foot. It's a bit deep. Fucking hell, what a dead joke.
Should we go for a quick swim?
Yeah, man. Oh. Oh, fuck. No, my hat's gonna... I need to put... Oh, my hat's gonna get drenched. Ah.
Same.
I just don't want mine to fall off, so I'm gonna have to remember it's here. Alright, what should we do? I know. Oh fuck, man, I'm drenched. Drift. Hey. Bar spin? Yeah, man. 360. YOLO. Oh. Oh. What? Oh. Jesus. Oh.
No slip and slide, run and slide.
This is actually so sick. Fucking hell. Oh. Ah. Let's try a bar spin in the deep bit. I know. Oh, I'm actually so fucking wet. Oh no! Whew. No, I can't get my bike, my shoes are... Oh no. Whew. Made it. So sick.
Yeah, boy.
I'm gonna go quite quick. See what happens. my god! Oh! Oh, my knee! Oh! I'm drenched! I'm fucking drenched! What is it filming? Oh! Ow! Fucking hell! Let me see! Oof! I'm drenched!
How are you gonna survive?
I don't know.
In your boxers?
Oh, what did I slip on that?
Yeah,
Oh my god.
I wish I had
Fuck, man. Oh, I'm gonna have fucking motorbike grips now. Fuck, man.
I want to take your phone and send it work.
Oh yeah. Yeah, man. Oh fuck. Nah. Oh fuck this. Fuck Gemma, man. Oh. Oh, let's see the. So I just ate fucking shit. Alright, so guys, since I'm already fucking drenched, why don't we just run and just fucking slide? Oh. I'm actually fucked. Oh. Alright, one more, that was really fun. Alright, oh, let's go. I'm so fucked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's the stairs? Oh shit. Oh. Alright. I'm just fucked. So fucked. So now we're just gonna run through it and just get drenched, because you know what, I'm already fucking drenched. It's fucking brilliant, isn't it? Yeah, it fucking is. So yeah, here we go then. Oh, emptied all the water out. All right, here we go.
Time to give, guys. Smash this video and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, you know, if you haven't already. So, you know, go. Okay then. Just why not? Matt. You get me wet.
So fun.
They got me wet. What are you doing? I'm wet.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
Yes!
Oi.
I'm drenched. Anyway guys, I do hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. It's, oh yeah, blah blah. I mean, I didn't mean to fall, but you know, oh well, it's a good video and you can all laugh at me and bully me. Anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.